Sannyas is wonderful. Everyone here is absolutely sweet, down to earth, really good vibrations. The environment itself is gorgeous, from the sounds of trickling water to the beautiful birds and the buzzing bees. There's so much life here, and I feel that that in itself is a great space and a great setting for us to practice yoga, and also to practice what it feels like to be in alignment with yourself, because when life is all around you, then you are imbibed with life as well.